Hi. This month, December, we are celebrating Article 14, the right to practice your own religion. For some people, at the end of this month, they'll be celebrating Christmas. But for many others, there's different religious festivals across the year that they might be celebrating. Diwali or Eid or many other varieties. So what we'd like you to do as a class or as in small groups is to research different celebrations that happen across the year for different religions. What are the key events for different religions during the year? And then share that learning with your class. It might be that you celebrate one of them and create invitations, you share the key themes or what happens and what's important for different religions. If you're lucky, you've got a very mixed variety of young people in your class and they might be able to share their own experience and have some great new learning. We welcome you sharing this with us at ChildCon Wales and look forward to hearing all about it. Article 14, the right to follow your own religion.